Hey, so good morning, guys. This is January 14th, 2019. This is a market update, and basically, I wanted to kind of give you guys overview and kind of you know congratulate you guys if you held on to the positions. You got into Bitcoin and Ethereum yesterday when I actually said to re-enter the market. And right now, we're pretty much, the market is looking really green. But I kind of wanted to go over some charts and just to basically let you see what I'm seeing. But today, I think the resistance is at 3670. If you're in Bitcoin, I'm actually selling on the way up just to go into cash. This is supposed to be a strong week, in the market, and we seen we seen money come back in. So we seen 6 billion come in overnight. If we're looking at the coin market cap, we see the market cap is at 123 billion. Yesterday it was at 117 billion was the kind of support level, and then overnight we seen uh, a lot of coins gaining, you know, just gaining some, but they're still down overall. Since Friday, we're still down. So, sometime the green markets, when we see this green landscape, we kind of get the tunnel vision where, we think everything is back and clear. And, moving over to Tether, your account still kind of drops. But let's go over some of the charts and just see what we're seeing. So and we look at other charts too to see what other guys are seeing. And so here, if you're looking at this chart, this is Bitcoin on a 12-hour. We can change it down to the 1 day. And if we're looking at this, this is kind of where we went down at 3,700. And, the cloud starts right at, starts at the bottom of the cloud, starts at about 3,670 to 3,700. So it's not, it hasn't broke the cloud. And you see here, we had this area here that was, decision before the big drop. So, looking at this chart on a 1 day, then we go down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks good, but this is a doji here, and this is basically a change of direction. When you see this doji here, it basically reached a pinnacle, then it took a little breather. Then you have guys, on the psychology side, it's gonna, start getting in right here, and it holds it up. And so that's what we're seeing on Bitcoin. And now, if we kind of go through the different charts just to give you a different idea, different things we're looking at. So let's go on Bitcoin. Stick with Bitcoin for now, and see on a different time frame. Even at 3,700, 3,640, you see the cloud is here. So this is normally resistance, and we have our buyers to stop buying right here. That's what this this X mean right here is buyers stop buying around this area here. So 3 hour, look at the 1 hour. 1 hour we broke through. Um, that's a solid candle. So it's looking good on a short term, day trade, which is awesome. You see over here on my watch list, everything pretty much is green. So, on a day like today where, we've we went down to 3,400. Now we at 36. You have to ask yourself, how much do you want to, where you want to take profit. So, that's, something you have to ask. Now, if you look at our alligator is what we use to get into swing trades. And, from the look at this, we're still underwater. Alligator is still in a, kind of in a spiral. We have this X here. So on a longer period time frame, when we look at this alligator on a day, this is, weeks. And on a week thing, we're still going down. And you see here, we're still under a 7 day M&A, which is, the alligator is still underwater. So, this is a profit taking day. You take profits until we're on a uptrend, like with this arrow, the alligator coming out the water above the 7 day M&A. That's when we like to enter in a trade heavy and long. For right now, this is a short day trading. Um, Go over here, and that's our alligator strategy. On our It's just this is my day trading chart. So on a day trade, that was a strong move. If you didn't get it down here and now you're getting in right here, the risk is a lot higher. So you don't want to chase the waterfalls. This is what these are, waterfalls right now. All right. So here's our VOO. And our VOO right here is basically telling you right here at 129 to 130, there's more sellers than buyers. There's more sellers than buyers down here at 126, 127. There's more buyers, more sellers. So this is a huge area of, resistance, in my opinion. This profit taking area is right here. So, enter in right here. You may want to wait until it comes back down. You may want to wait till it comes back down to 120. And this is, where you could buy it down here to 120. And even if it doesn't hold from 121 to 119 or 118, then you would exit. So that is the plan. If you're looking at Ether right now, you're going to wait till it comes back down to about 120, 121, 119, 118, and then stop out under 118. Things that we look at just on a day, we're going to look at the sentiment. And right now we see we had 24-hour change of 5%. We're at 123. So 124 is resistance. 6 billion is coming in the market. You have a price change, it's positive on 8, on majority of the coin, 82% of the coins, still below, almost 83% of coins are still below the SMA 50. So that means we're still down. Okay. The sentiment is high. People is this positive sentiment is meaning that, the people think it's going to go up, and it's still 50-50. So, be safe. All right. And I'll be giving alerts today. It should be a profit taking day. If you're day trading, you're going to use stops. And I'm here to support you guys and make some calls. What I see is today has been a profit taking day. It's still pretty early, so you want to make sure you secure your profits. Having 5 or 10% in a day is good. So that's the update for today, and I'll be sending out looking for more coins. And also on DLT, DLT had a block invested in DLT, and so it was 100% move on this. And you see, you still have plenty of support down here. So if it gets down to about 80 cent on a market dip, this is the 8 cent. This is the area that we want to buy. So you have alert set. I actually have a alert set, basically to buy below. We'll wait on it. Don't chase it. Wait for it to come back down. All right. So this is the market update for 1/14/2019 day trade the rest of the day, and alerts will be going out.